So today we're unboxing the UsKey Vision tripod with face tracking options. Let's open it up to see what's inside. So we've got one light and another light packed up. So both of these lights have a connecting button at the back and an on-off button. This has 3 different light settings, if you can see. First one, second, third. Then we also have our charging cable. And then we have our tripod. Now it's quite thick at the handle here, which allows for sturdiness. We have a button here on off, our port here to be able to charge it, on button at the front as well, and the camera button, and there is our lens that will track us. It also has a screw here at the top to be able to attach a light. So just open it up very easily, opens up and down depending on how you want it. Very easy to open up. Nice large legs for a sturdy surface. And this also comes up quite high, which I will show you. And it comes up quite high. I am about 5'5", and this stands taller than me, so perfect for anyone who is a bit taller if you're trying to capture things from a higher angle. Very easy to get back down again. So you can tighten this here, and this is our phone holder, which can be adjusted, turns around 360, and our phone easily slots in there. So it also has this lock button, which is what is used for the rotation. So at the moment it's unlocked. If I lock it, it doesn't rotate, stays still. Unlock, and it rotates all around, and this is what is perfect for the face tracking option. This is a great tripod and is nice to have on hand. It's not so big that you worry too much about taking it with you. It will easily fit into a backpack or suitcase, and you can always make sure that you're able to get good angles with this tripod.